Hello, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah. Today, we're diving into a simple but super powerful trick in Excel: how to apply a formula to an entire column, no matter how long it is. Whether it's just a few rows or thousands, we'll show you two quick and easy methods to get the job done. Let's get started. First, to apply a formula to an entire column, we need to start with a formula in the very first cell of the column where we want our results. Let's use a simple example. Adding two numbers together. Imagine we've got data in columns A and B and want to find the sum in column D. So in cell D3, we'll type the formula equals A3 plus B3. This formula adds the values in the corresponding cells of columns A and B. Once we've entered it, we press Enter, and Excel calculates the results for that one cell. But what if you want this formula applied to the whole column? Here's the first method. Dragging. Click on the cell with the formula, in this case D3, to select it. Then, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. You'll notice the cursor changes into a small black plus sign. This is called the fill handle. Simply click and drag it down the column to fill all the rows with the same formula. Excel will automatically adjust the row references, so the formula works for each row. This dragging method works great if you're dealing with just a few rows. But let's be honest, dragging down a long column with hundreds or thousands of rows can take forever. So let's look at a faster and more effective method: the double-click trick. Let's undo what we just did. You can press Ctrl plus Z to quickly undo. And now we'll try the second method. Again, start by clicking the cell with the formula open parenthesis D3, in this case close parenthesis. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the black plus sign. Now, instead of dragging, just double-click, that's it. Excel automatically applies the formula to all the rows in the column where there's data in the adjacent columns. In just a split second, you've filled hundreds or even thousands of rows. This double-click method is a huge time saver, especially when working with large datasets. Plus, it's incredibly easy to do once you know about it.